Hello guys, welcome to this small video. We're going to have a look inside Gym Management Solution version 14 Community Edition, and I will be walking you through the employees attendance module. So initially be logging in with my admin credentials because we just will need to make sure that we are having the right set of applications and module installed. So let's say I'm going here and I'm going inside apps. And as you can see that all of the modules and dependent all of the apps and dependent modules have been properly installed, and we are having the gym employee attendance module as well, which we are going to discuss about in this video. So fine, we can simply go inside the gym management from here. But being an admin account, it will be showing us all the major menu items. But that's also fine because I at least can show you that where to go when it comes to the employees attendance or the trainers attendance in this solution. So we are having one such menu item over here called attendance, and we simply can go inside the manager, operator, or trainer attendances. As of now, this place will be blank because there is no any employees who have yet marked their attendances. So as an admin we can create it one, but I think let's do it that way. We'll be logging out from our admin account and we will actually be logging in from one of the trainers account. So I think that will be explaining the things well, and of course it will help you to understand it in the much better way. Fine, so let's assume that Ron Matthews is one of the trainers. He has the, of course, he has the rights to access through the required menu items over here and required areas of this solution, so that he can perform his duty and he can mark everything what he's been up to and he's doing in the gym. So of course everything uh, comes later. Initially, when Ron starts his day, he will need to mark his attendance. So he simply can go inside the attendance and trainer's attendance from here. We are having the create button from here. Simply by clicking on the create button, it will be opening up this particular screen. We're having two mandatory fields. But well, employees will not be listing down all the employees because it is a specific account of Ron. So fine, he can mention the name over here, and he can mention the date and time of his check-in. I would say the attendance. So let's say he started at 8 a.m. in the morning. So that's going to be his check-in. So checkout is will not be the mandatory fields because of course the every employee who comes to the gym every day to perform their respective duties, they'll need to check in first and they'll need to save at least their check-in data, right? So of course practically this field cannot be mandatory because checkout time will be entered when the employee will be leaving the office or will be leaving the gym. So we simply can save it from here, right? So, of course, the Ron is one of the trainers. He can access through the other segments of the solution. Being a trainer, he can do many of the other things as well. Now, let's assume that it's end of day and he's about to mark his checkout. So again, simply by selecting the date, which will be by default the very date itself, and he will simply be able to mention the checkout time. All right. Once we mention the check out time over here, there is going to be one more field which is not be editable, but it will simply be calculating the work hours, right? So accordingly I think we can get it coordinated with some of the HR settings, so that kind of thing, right? So that will be auto populated and that will be auto calculated based on the check in and check out time, right? One should not forget to save the record, so we are going to save it. Again, we are going to log out from the trainer's account and we are going to log in from an admin account so that we can explain that how exactly the gym manager or any of the admins will be able to view the employees attendance records. So now Mr. Scott Jobs, who is the admin over here, who is the manager over here, and just by clicking on the particular trainer's attendance from here, he will be able to see that how and when Mr. Ron Matthews marked his presence, and the attendance, the records of the attendance will directly be displayed down over here. So same goes with the other employees and other trainers as well, right? So the admin will be able to check through all the employees record from here. Even the admin has the rights to create the new record, or the admin has also the rights to change something in the pre-created attendances. All right. So that's how the employees attendance in gym management solution works. Actually, it is a very basic thing, but yes, when it comes to some kind of a third party integration, because of course every employee or every gym, every techno savvy people would not be having this manual way of marking the check in and check out times, but some kind of a third party integration, let's say with some kind of the biometric punching machine, so that kind of thing will be available, can be available, and can be customized with that, and accordingly the records will be available for the admin and both for the trainers as well. So that is possible, but yes, in this video we just wanted to show you that how the employees attendance thing works. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much.